Okay, so it's almost lunchtime. Haven't gotten as far as I would have liked to have gotten. That's because we're taking a bunch of stuff apart, mainly, to make it easier to get the engine out and to make it easier to get the V8 engine in. So the nose panel came off, the under tray came off, got the oil cooler unbolted, and the thing that took the most time was I didn't get the exhaust off yet, but I got all the exhaust manifold nuts off, which is a trick on one of these cars. And I got the oxygen sensor unplugged. Probably gonna wait till we lower the engine down a little bit, and I'll probably have to cut the nuts and bolts off of the exhaust flange there, which, see if we can get a shot up in there of that. Oh, maybe not. But anyway, the headers go down into two pipes, and they have 2 3-bolt flanges on them. They're nut and bolt, so if you can get something in there to cut them off, that makes it easy, but I can probably only get 2 or 3 out of the 6 cut off, so we'll wait till we lower it down a little bit and get better access to both sides. So we haven't drained the fluids yet or anything. Didn't want to really make a mess under the car while I'm trying to work under there, so that might be next. We got the airflow meter off the air box, and yesterday we took out the Motronic module. So that stuff's ready to go. Just figuring out what else we need to take apart in the front end for the moment.